crews in Altamont Springs spent part of the afternoon taking apart a Christmas tree in Cranes Roost Park. That's right, taking it down.
I know, that's the main attraction right now. Why? Because of lessons learned during Hurricane Nicole. WESH News' Dave McDaniel joins us live to explain this. Dave?
Well, that's right. The Altamont Springs Christmas tree, which is a fixture here at Cranes Roost Park, has, for the most part, vanished, but it has vanished on purpose. We'll take a look here. You can see where all that's really left of the Christmas tree right now is that very tip top. While it's brightly lit and very festive, the rest of the tree's been removed. It's because the city does not want a repeat of losing a big Christmas tree in gnarly weather.
But you either learn from history or you suffer it again.
This is the history the Altamont Springs city manager is talking about. Chopper 2 over a wrecked tree a year ago, thanks to Hurricane Nicole.
Last year we had a calamity with our Christmas tree. We had a hurricane come through, we had lots of strong winds.
That tree badly damaged. So with a crummy, possibly damaging weekend forecast, workers started taking down this year's tree. The plan is to safely store it and put it back up once the weather calms down.
The weather says that we could have high winds this weekend, and rather than having the same calamity we had last year, we pulled the skin off the Christmas tree.
And so the plan is that skin is safely being stored away. They'll let that weather pass through, and they hope to put the Christmas tree back up in its prominent spot on Monday. Reporting live in Altamont Springs, Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.